The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Station Wagon has long been a classic car lover's dream, especially when it comes to vintage American vehicles that speak to the heart of post-war automotive design. Before the iconic Chevrolet Impala rose to fame in 1958, the Bel Air held the crown as Chevrolet's #1 model. Over the years, the Bel Air has remained a desirable collectible, often sought after in either pristine, unrestored condition or when it's been lovingly restored to its original glory. One such Bel Air is making waves in the classic car community, but with a twist. This once beautiful 1957 Bel Air station wagon was abandoned mid-restoration by its previous owner. According to the eBay seller, elpasoconnection, the car was found in a barn, where it had been sitting for many years, forgotten and left to gather dust. While the backstory of the car's abandonment remains unclear, the photos show that the Bel Air is surprisingly solid, considering its extended stay in the barn. The Bel Air is far from perfect, of course. Rust can be seen on the floor pans, and the paint shows its age. However, it's believed that the red finish on the car is still original, adding to its vintage charm. While some restoration enthusiasts might opt to keep the original patina, others may choose to go the full route and respray the car to restore it to its former glory. The decision, of course, lies with whoever decides to take on this project. This Bel Air is still very much a work in progress. The engine is currently non-functional, and the seller mentions that it hasn't even been attempted to be started. The car will require extensive wiring and mechanical work before it can run again. For potential buyers, this means the car isn't ready to hit the road anytime soon. However, the car has the potential to become a classic masterpiece with the right amount of dedication. The seller is asking $19,500, which might seem like a steep price for a project car that needs significant work. But given that the restoration process has already been partially completed, many buyers may see this as a good starting point for a full restoration. The seller also offers the option to make an offer, so negotiating the price might bring it down to a more affordable level. However, it's crucial to note that inspections are highly encouraged, as determining the condition of the car beyond the photos will be essential to deciding whether it's worth the investment. Restoring a 1957 Bel Air station wagon is no easy task, but for those who have a passion for classic cars and the skill set to bring this beauty back to life, it's an exciting opportunity. The project will require both time and money, but the payoff could be worth it. For those interested, the car is located in El Paso, Texas, and the seller is open to third-party verification and inspections to ensure potential buyers have a clear picture of the car's condition. The Bel Air's body style, especially as a station wagon, may not be for everyone, but it's certainly a gem for those who appreciate the character and history of vintage American cars. With the right touch, this Bel Air could become a showstopper, continuing to stand the test of time just like the model's predecessors.